Just take some tomato puree, just around like 250 grams of tomato puree, drop it nicely on some container, on some something, just drop it, and then add your spices that you like. For Italian style pizza sauce, you just go some garlic powder, just a little bit of salt. You can add basil leaves if you have it. You can add some dried basil, dried oregano. It depends on taste, it depends on what you want to do, and this is an easy and fast recipe. Just then add some water, dilute it with water, and tomato puree, tomato paste will become great pizza sauce. It will be like separated at first, and then some magic happens and it come together as beautiful sauce. So just dilute as much as you want. You can make it more liquid, you can make it more tomato puree like style, whatever you like, guys. And this is like awesome pizza sauce that can be made in just less than a minute. It's really fast, really easy, and you can really enjoy fast pizzas with it. You can add it to pasta, you can add it to some rice, whatever you like. Actually, it's a gorgeous, beautiful tomato sauce. So what actually, how to make pizza with the sauce? And it's easy. You just go and add it sauce to my pizzas from my channel. Go subscribe and watch my recipes from my pizzas.